friends, bottle everywhere. Bottle art is a trend now. But A to Z of bottle art, that is basics like where to start, how to start, are not mentioned together anywhere, isn't it? We are doing this from some time now and have struggled a lot in the initial days for getting the basics. So, we thought of sharing our ideas with the beginners and we are doing it as a series. And this is our first video in A to Z of bottle art. The first step is to clean and prepare the bottle. Over to my mother for further explanations.
So we have got a bottle. It is not that dirty, but we have to clean it. We have to clean it and remove the stickers and also pour water inside. See, when the bottle has these nozzles, water won't go inside. So it is difficult to clean the inside of bottle. One way is to cut the seal and take out the nozzle. That I am showing in the later part of the video. Srikutti will come with the tools for cutting the nozzle.
Tools are ready. A hammer and a screwdriver.
We have to cut these lines. You can see the lines here with the hammer and screwdriver. I am going to cut it. It's not necessary we take a screwdriver. We can take any sharp thing. The advantage of retaining the nozzle without breaking the seal is that we can put the top of the bottle after the art is complete. So okay, looks like it is coming out. I think little more we have to break. Okay, it is coming. See, now there is a small thing inside that which was doing a hindrance from taking water inside. Okay, it's open now and now we can pour water inside that. This is one of the technique which we found out. Okay, if you have some other technique, you can inform us in the comment box. Now we have cleaned the bottle. Now we have to remove the seal and other dirt. This is not that dirty. So this is the second step for easily removing the stickers. I'm going to dip it in soap water. Based on the dirt, we can put more soap in the water.
Why are you dipping it for so long?
If the bottle is not filled completely with water, it will float above. We can keep it like this for one day for better results. We are explaining it this detail so that it will be helpful for the beginners. For others, it might be boring. So we have kept for one day. Now see, the stickers are removing easily. If it is not still coming like this, you can use scrubbers or something and remove it. But for me, it is coming out very easily. Normally we keep 3 or 4 bottles together for cleaning.
Suppose if we don't want to put the bottle cap again, we can remove the white portion by cutting off the seal. We can use knife, hacksaw blade or cutting plier to do this work.
It is not very difficult to remove it. Little pressure we will have to put. See, it is coming off now. See, with the knife, but take care when you are using the knife. Just come out now. Now we can remove this white portion. If you want to retain the white portion for putting the cap, better we keep the seal there itself. Otherwise we'll have to remove and again stick it with the glue gun so that it stays with strength. This we are sharing from our experience. If you have some other way to remove the white portion without breaking the seal, you can share in the comment section.
We are done. Our clean bottles are ready. From the next session onwards, we will be starting with bottle decorations. If you are not having such bottles, don't worry. You can use glasses, plastic bottles or even tin bottles like this. So, be ready with lot of bottles. Bye. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications about further videos in A to Z bottle art playlist of the channel.